Hey YouTube, just an update on the exhaust. It's 100% all welded up. I've decided I'm just going to end up painting it with a high temp paint, but for now all the welding's done and it's mocked up in position, fully assembled. The reveal on the exhaust tips came out pretty well, I think. Overall they look good. They're slightly off on the left, but overall I think you'd never know when it's down on the ground. And the cutbacks that I set, side perspective, and then the exhaust hanger at the rear. Like I said, I was going to utilize that one anchor point in the frame rail. And then I just added a little plate here for a hanger support. So let's see, all the welding's done and clamps are in place. Everything's 100%. Anchor points. And up to the X pipe and to the collectors, all bolted up. So yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with how it came out. So yeah, on to the next project. Thanks guys.